Hi, this is Kay Lowry, and today we're going to learn the song Chocolate Valentines. And so when you look at it, you will see that there's a map right here of where we put our fingers. And you'll notice there's a lot of information on here. First thing we're going to do is clap the rhythm. I'll put my page down and show you with my hands that I like to say half note, half note. And I like to say whole note, hold it. I also like to say quarter, quarter, half note. Those are the types of rhythms you're going to see in this piece. So as I point to the notes, I want you to say it out loud, and I would like you to clap just like I showed you. Ready, set, here we go. Half note, half note, half note, half note, half note, half note, whole note, hold it. Half note, half note, half note, half note, quarter, quarter, half note, whole note, hold it. How did you do? Great. Now let's do our finger numbers. So we'll start with our right hand, and notice we're going to be starting on finger 5. And we'll be on treble G, and all of these notes are stepping notes. We have line, space, line, space, line, space, line. And then in our left hand, we have line, space, line, space, line, space, line, space. Those are all stepping notes. Next door neighbors on the piano and next door neighbors on our hand. Let's wiggle our fingers and say the numbers. Please say them out loud with me. Right hand ready. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now let's switch hands. I'm going to start with finger 2. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause the video and you practice the fingers. All right, now I'm going to put my hands on the keys and I'll play and say the finger numbers. Ready, set, here I go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause the video and you practice it. Now let's say the note names. We'll start with treble G. Remember that they're all steps. Ready, set, here we go. G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, E, D, E, F, E, D, C. Pause the video. You practice it. All right, now we're going to sing the words. Ready, set, here we go. I like chocolate, dark and sweet. It's my favorite Valentine's treat. Pause the video and you practice it.